Hi there guys, welcome back. Welcome to our second tutorial video in which I'm going to explain how to use this page. Okay, so our first step is to open learningapps.org. Okay, this is the page, learningapps.org. Okay, once you go there, you have to open an account, register for the first time. Okay, in my case, at the purpose of this video, I have already opened my account, and some of the icons that you can find here in the principal page is that you have icons like Brown Apps, Create Apps, and Create a Collection. Okay, let's start with browsing apps. Okay, here is a whole bunch of categories, and the categories are from arts all the way down to vocational education. These are the examples of what different teachers have already created, and they have classified it according to subjects. Okay, if you click here on English, okay, you can see all the apps that English teachers have done. There is a whole bunch of them, and as longer they are public, you can use them. Okay, perfect, really good. Then it has another icon that it says create an app. Once you create the app, you can create also collections, or you can classify them. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, our second step is click on create an app. Okay, create an app right here, right there in the middle. Okay, you click on it. Okay, click on it, and yes, or step number 3 is to choose a template or to choose an activity. And you might say, what do you mean to choose a template or choose an activity also? Okay, so if you scroll down, guys, you're going to find all the different activities or templates that you can get from this page. From matching pairs all the way down to multiple choice questions, all the way down to video, audio, questions in a video, up all the way down to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire until quiz with the text input. So you have here a lot of activities to choose from, and again for free. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the first one. Okay, so if you click on it, for example, matching pairs, yes, this page give you 3 different examples. So no matter the activity that you choose, it gives you 3 examples. Okay, so this is the example number 1. As you can see, this is from a different language, and what the student have to do is match the orange pins, with the blue pins, and they stick it like this. For example, in this case, when it turned red because it's incorrect. So these two are not the correct match. How do you separate them? You click in the middle. Okay. If you want to see, you click in the example number 2, and it's pretty much about the same. Yes, this one is from different languages. Okay, and example number 3. Yes, like another idea. You see that there's now images. So this is actually in English. Okay, so they have to choose the correct pairing. Okay. Okay, now step number 4, choose and create your own app. So you just click here. Okay, and then you need to add a title like any other activity. So I'm gonna call it like a review. I'm gonna call it units 1 and 2. Okay, and here you need to type or provide in the tab description a little bit about what the activity is about. So this is dear students. Okay, dear students, this is a review of units 1 and 2. Please match the orange pins with the blue pins. Okay, so that could be my instructions. Soon after that, you have to start to create the content that is going to be presented in your activity. Okay, so what we're going to do is start choosing how they're going to be paired. And here it got some features. You can start typing the word, or you can use an image, or you can invite the program to, to read the test for you, which is really cool. You can also add audios, or videos. So I'm going to start with something very simple. So I'm going to start with the question, what's your name? Okay, and then the pair is going to be also text. So I'm going to write here like, I am Wilson Perez, like this. Okay, so this is the correct matching for this question. Okay, how do you add more elements? So just click here. So now this is the pair number 2. Here I'm gonna pair like what's your phone number? Your phone number. Okay, and here I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna invite the program, to speak. So I'm gonna here on text to speech, and I'm gonna select this number. Okay, if you would like to listen how it sounds, so just click here in this icon. Okay, and listen carefully to how it speaks.
It's 316-621-1309.
So students, in this way, they have to listen carefully and start to choose, okay, this is not for what's your name, this is more like a what's your telephone number. Really good. You can also select the language here, so purposes is English, okay? And then another one, I'm gonna select them. Here I'm gonna change it, I'm gonna select text to speech. Okay, I'm gonna write like the house is next to the lake. That statement, okay? But here, for the purpose of this video, I have already uploaded a picture because I want them to match something with a picture. So here you just click on image. And how do you get the image? You can get it from Pixabay or Wikipedia or Firk, or you can copy the URL of one picture from internet, or you can download it to your computer and then drag it. So that's what I already did. So I already have a picture downloaded in my computer. So house next to the lake, and then you add it. Yes, and here it will show me the picture. So once they click here, they need to select the correct match. Okay, so three for example. But remember that you can also add more questions with videos or audios. You can create your own audio, download it in your desktop, and then upload it as a pair. Okay, so imagine that this is the activity. Okay, so so if you scroll down, additionally run elements. No, I'm not going to select anything else. I'm going to just leave it like that. Then it says may pair matching pair disappear. I actually like to be there right there in the activity. Then how you want the cards to be attached. So you have two possibilities here. I really like the one that is one above the other one. And then feedback. By default, this is already in the system. Great, you have found the solution, but again, this is an invitation to personalize that feedback. Okay, and then in case that you have those students who are struggling, that need like extra help, you can give them, or you can provide them with some hints on how to solve this application or this activity. Okay, so if you consider that this is ready for you, so just click here on finish and editing. Okay, step number 4. This system or this app allows you first that before you publish it, you test it. So please test the activity before you make it public. So this is the way that it look like. So I'm gonna put this one here. You see that they have orange pins and blue pins. Okay, so for example, what's your name? So I think that this is going to be with this one, like that. Put them together. Excellent. What's your telephone number? There are 2 audios, so I need somehow students or participants, they need to click on the audio.
The house is next to the lake.
So this one said the house is next to the lake. So the only picture that I have with a house is this one. Okay, and this one I'm pretty sure is this one. So once it's here, how do you know that the pairs are correct? You just invite students or participants to click on this blue button. Click on it, and if all of them are green, it's because it is correct. Besides that, once they finish and they are totally complete and correct, the pairs, they are going to receive the feedback that you have already written before. Okay, now the next possibility, is that you can go back and edit and add in more information, more images, more audios, or if you consider that this is ready, that is enough for you, you can save the app. One recommendation is that look at the space. This is the space that the students are going to be doing matching activity, the pairing. Do not include like more than 15 because 15 pieces all around, it becomes crazy. So between 10 to 12, that will be enough. Also depending how big are the pictures. Okay, so guys, the step number 5 is share, in this case save, really good. Okay, so it will come here. Now this is the final step. These are now the instructions. Dear students, this is a review of units 1 and 2. Please match the orange pins with the blue pins. Okay, and if you scroll down, they have the 3 different possibilities which you have to share the link to your students. So you can share the link, this one, this link, and these ones are the same. This one and this one, really good. And the one in the middle, embed, this is in case that you have like a web page. And another way that you can share this up, and this is something really cool, this is like a cell phone application. They can scan this code. Yes, they don't need to download anything from their smartphone, but they can scan this code and they can go straight to the activity. So there are 3 different possibilities here. This one, or the QR code. So I'm gonna copy this one. Yes, remember step number 5, share it. Share it. So imagine that I'm a student and I get this. So I'm gonna get that from my teacher. That's the link. Here is the activity. Okay, this is the activity that is already created by my previous teacher. Okay, with instructions. So guys, this is the activity. Again, the invitation is to create different ways to add content to this page, to change and to include a little bit of ICT in your classes, and again to increase your own digital competencies. Okay, I'll see you later.